What's Cooking. Recently I did a video about the physics of an induction cooktop, and I wanted to add a couple additional points. For one, induction cooktops only work with specific cookware. To test if your cookware will work on an induction cooktop, just check if a magnet sticks to it. If a magnet sticks to it, it'll be completely fine. Anything cast iron works, and that means a cast iron skillet or enameled cast iron, also carbon steel, like what many woks are made out of, also work. They're a magnetic metal. Many stainless steel all-clad pans are also built with an inductive layer, and so they'll work also. If you're new to induction cooking and find you have some cookware that is not magnetic, you can buy one of these induction adapters, and they'll heat up directly on the induction cooktop, and then you can put your cookware on top of it. This is not as energy efficient, but it is helpful to use maybe some of your old pots and pans or give you a little extra time until your entire cookware line is adapted to induction. Also, because an induction cooktop is just a big electromagnet and not a heating element, it's safer. So I'm going to put my hand on this while I turn this on and try to boil this little bit of water that's inside this cast iron pan. Now eventually the surface is going to get hot because it has a very hot skillet on top of it, and by conduction the energy is going to go from the skillet to the burner, but the burner itself is not providing the heat. So here we say our water is boiling and my hand is still completely fine. And the safety goes beyond that. There's a detector in the induction cooktop that can tell if there's a magnetic pot on top of it or not. And as soon as you remove the pot, the cooktop turns itself off. To demonstrate how quickly responsive it is, we have water at a boil. I'm going to turn off the burner. And we see that the boil responds very quickly because I have turned off the electromagnet, which immediately turned off the movement of electrons in the skillet itself.